High Court said to kid, you have to just write a essay, and he killed two peoples.
Yeah, very.
So, what kind of this democracy you want? Do you want this kind of democracy?
He killed two. You want to speak in favor of the China country, okay? And you want to speak in favor of
India. My name is Anmol and I'm in a favor of India because firstly is think that if you are going in any country, your identities by your not by your name is your identity by your Indian.
China is very advanced in technology field. So, what is the use of technology that your country, your supported country, has
That is
caused?
not my
has
country.
caused-
I am
has
living
caused-
in India.
has caused coronavirus type of thing, and the world suffers from that.
great point. Yes.
And about I think lakhs of people had died in this I'll call it a massacre, not just a virus. I'll call it a massacre.
Every country wants a power, and if you're talking about China is this, they are doing this. China is the right now leading country after the USA.
Yes, very good. Very nice point. Yes.
And do you know India? About India, we are facing lots of problem.
Like
We surpass the China in population. We don't have any control in our population, and we are facing some issues. I am talking about some little issues like road. Every road is not good in India. We are struggling. If you are talking about recently, I saw a big hole in Dwarka.
In India, there is a democratic party and it's a multi-party system. But in China, there is only two parties that the people choose one by one. That's the
only one party is there.
yeah. Only one party is. Oh, sorry. Only one party is there, and people are the
People have no option.
people have no option. So why does people do? Is anybody one criticize their own party? So the Chinese party that invisible the person because of their kill them because they have no liberty. Okay, the richest person of a China who is the founder of Alibaba, he is a criticize their own party, and after the next day he will be invisible from the country, and maybe he will be
Where is
killed.
the democracy?
Where the democracy
Nobody
is,
can say
and
anything.
nobody can be choice by their own party. That we have multi-party system, and we can choice by our party. If we say that the BJP is not doing well work, so we can choose the other party. Na, that we have option, but in the China people have no option. So what do you say about it?
What will you say?
About Pune case, what happened? Nobody is doing nothing, and High Court said to kid, you have to just write a essay, and he killed two peoples.
Yeah, very.
So, what kind of this democracy you want? Do you want this kind of democracy?
He killed two.
If anybody murders anyone and if someone theft, you can't give the same punishment for both of them. Okay, and you've also highlighted about the corruption thing. So I want to ask something that do you know about the China's military controls about 1/3 of China's businesses? Can you clear me one thing? Why China's military is involved in the business or economy purpose of China? Is there any corruption thing? You are highlighted about India's corruption. If China's military is involved in the economic system of their China, so how well are they prepared for the military purpose?
Businessmen controlling the government in India. Ambani, Adani. I saw a news. There is a Adani port. So one ship captured by the police. That was there is so many drugs, and that is the owner of Adani. But that news was the
Okay.
China is against from the against from the whole world. That if you say that Pulwama attack, sorry, in that Pahalgam attack, it's on that whole countries are with the India, but only China is with the Pakistan. That he knows that Pakistan is not a strongest country, and he don't have such a GDP. That Pakistan whole GDP is only like a money family. So what you are saying that what's the benefit from China from Pakistan, that he don't have such a resources, they don't have such a good resources, and they don't have such a good things that China taken from it.